Good afternoon. My name is Daniel McNeil, and on behalf of Aaron Sarton and myself, I would like to welcome you to our presentation. Aaron and I have been given the distinct opportunity to build a set of instruments for the hit band Maroon and Gold 4. The band is preparing for their upcoming tour, and they need to downsize on their baggage footprint while also maintaining their uniqueness and musical excellence. Maroon and Gold 4 gave us a clear and distinctive requirements sheet. 1. All instruments must fit in a 2-foot by 2-foot by 2-foot box. The maximum budget is $15 per instrument, while also using no more than 8 feet of pipe or 4 feet of piano or guitar wire. All instruments together must be able to play at least one of the following Maroon and Gold 4 hit songs: Ode to Joy, ASU Alma Mater, or the ASU Fight Song. Also, a total of 4 instruments are required, with at least one being a wind instrument, one a percussion instrument, and another being a string instrument. A good instrument can perform the notes required. It's also comfortable for the musician to play, is constructed in a manner that will hold up to the abuse of travel, and is built within the cost and material restrictions. Using the requirements provided, Aaron and I generated what we believed to be the most important criteria to the band, with the top criteria being that all instruments fit in a 2-foot by 2-foot by 2-foot box. The instruments must also be able to play the band's songs. The instruments must be built under budget and within the material requirements. A wind, percussion, and string instruments are also required. However, Aaron and I are a two-man team and will only be required to build 2 instruments. The 2 instruments we've decided on are the guitar and a pan flute. For the guitar, we chose to use wood as a primary building material. The guitar will feature a 10-inch by 10-inch by 5-inch hollow sealed box. It will also feature a 12-inch by 3-inch by 1-inch neck attached at the top. All of these will be attached together using screws and glue. The box will also have a 5-inch diameter hole on the center of the face of the box. This hole is to provide sound amplification. The guitar will be equipped with 3 strings, each approximately 19 inches long. These strings are the B, D, and G. They will run from the bottom of the face of the box to the top of the neck. These strings will be attached using bolts and nuts. These bolts and nuts serve a dual purpose. The first is to raise the string above the wood. The second is for tuning. The guitar will be sanded and then painted. This guitar design was inspired from various styles of guitars currently available in the market. However, most of these are only available in large form factors. The guitar will be utilized best for playing the mid to low range notes of Ode to Joy. To ensure the length of the strings are adequate to play each note, a little physics was required. Knowing the frequencies of each note and the length of the string, calculations to solve for tension and linear mass density of the string are possible. Once the tension and linear mass densities have been equated, those numbers are used to ensure the length of the string is sufficient. The estimated cost of materials is $11.07 for our proposed build. Prior to choosing the guitar, several other instruments were considered. We used the decision matrix below to best choose the instrument for this task. We also looked at other notes that were to be played by other instruments to ensure there was no duplication. Now, off to you, Aaron.
Thanks, Daniel, and hello, my name is Aaron Sarton, and today I'll be going over the design of the pan flute. The pan flute will be constructed of PVC pipe using rubber caps to seal the bottom of the pipes and PVC spacers to screw all the pipes together. The flute will then be glued together with epoxy and painted. The flute design is inspired by flutes made in South America, particularly that of Peru and Bolivia. The flute will be best utilized for playing high-range notes in Ode to Joy. The flute will have an approximate height of 29.6 centimeters at the tallest pipe, 16.74 centimeters at the shortest pipe, with a length of 14.175 centimeters and a width of 2.7 centimeters at the widest point. To meet the requirements of Ode to Joy, 6 pipes were used to produce 6 different notes. To get the length of pipe I need to produce the correct note, I use the formula length equals velocity of the speed of sound through the air divided by 4 times the frequency. 6 designs were considered, but a decision on the PVC flute design was based on the decision matrix. You can see the decision matrix on slide 18 of the presentation. In conclusion, our 2 designs for the pan flute and the guitar will fill all the requirements set forth in the contract. Both instruments will play Ode to Joy. The flute will play the high range notes and the guitar will play the mid range notes. All instruments will fit in a 2 by 2 by 2 box, and the flute design does not use more than 8 foot of pipe. The guitar does not use more than 4 foot of guitar or piano string, and the total cost of each instrument is under $15. Thank you everyone for your consideration. Have a nice day.